Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can connect or integrate Base44 with Google Analytics, okay? Now, first of all, you're going to need the Google Analytics account, and you're going to need the API or the secret keys, okay? Which we show you how to get in previous tutorials, okay? So please check them out. You're also going to need the application on the website that you want to, integrate and save here, okay? Because we're gonna use this to have like a low or no code alternative, okay? Otherwise, we're gonna have to mess with the code and it's gonna be too complicated. Now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a new step in here. I'm just gonna select a trigger, which is gonna be Base44, as you can see. I want to connect to your account. In my case, it's gonna be this one, but otherwise, just log in here. Just choose the trigger band, which is gonna be the entity band, and now click on continue. That's going to take you to this application, and now you have to select the website that you want to basically integrate. In my case, it's going to be this one here, and the event type is going to be basically a creation. Okay, so let's say for example that you have like a client updates a form or creates a form, then this is going to trigger it. Amazing. Now in the actions, we're going to get to Google Analytics 4. Okay, now choose an event, which this is up to you completely, but you can basically find a conversion, run a report, create a measurement, or create a conversion event for a property, which is going to be the most common thing. But yeah, just select this one and sign into your account. Thank you so much, guys.